You won't believe the sheer magnitude of music you can unleash with a single 61-key keyboard. Imagine being the maestro behind a grand piano, a virtuoso electric guitarist, and a genius producer all at once. Welcome to the world of Yamaha's PSRSX920, an arranger keyboard that's as much a studio as it is a stage. But let's not get ahead of ourselves. Until recently, creating complex arrangements and performing them convincingly required either years of practice or expensive studio software. Most musicians and even professional performers have found themselves stuck with mediocre backing tracks, or, worse still, a lone instrument that's either too basic or just not up to the task. Now, the gap between your solo performance and a full-fledged orchestra is bridged by Yamaha's game-changing PSRSX 920. So, what exactly can we expect from this extraordinary instrument? Let's start with unboxing our premium sound package. When the box opened, I was taken aback by the solid feel of the keyboard, a testament to Yamaha's long history of quality craftsmanship. The sleek and compact design looks right at home in any home studio, living room, or stage setup. As I carefully examined the keyboard, my fingers began to crave interaction with the instrument. I started with the joystick controller and instantly felt the rush of having control over pitch and modulation. It's no secret that Yamaha has an impressive track record when it comes to delivering authentic sound experiences. But now with this particular model, the versatility offered by the joystick controller is truly unmatched. Let's dive deeper into 5 compelling features, starting with accompaniment styles. With hundreds of built-in styles to choose from, you're bound to find the perfect backing for your songs. But here's the magic. You can change the chord, arrangement, and virtually every aspect of the music in real time, all with unparalleled precision. For a musician like myself, who's been stuck using simple metronomes and backing tracks, this newfound level of control over arrangement is pure bliss. Next, we have the customizable real-time control knobs. As a producer, I often juggle dozens of parameters to achieve the perfect sound. These knobs allow me to tweak voices, styles, and more on the fly, effortlessly experimenting with various soundscapes, all in real time. No need to constantly fiddle with software interfaces or navigate convoluted menus. With the PSRSX 920, creativity simply flows. Third, there's the voice preset selection option, offering access to an incredible 960 built-in voices. Yes, you read that right. Almost 1,000 distinct sounds that cater to every imaginable musical style. Want to play like Jimi Hendrix on your guitar section, or sound like the iconic bassist of the 80s? The choices are virtually limitless. Fourth, I was intrigued by the touch control feature. Imagine your fingers dancing across a dynamic keyboard with the power to control the depth of your sound. This advanced input mechanism is particularly useful when working with multiple soundscapes simultaneously, allowing musicians to fine-tune the sound without the constraints of preset settings. The fifth, and probably most significant, feature of the Yamaha PSRSX 920 is its ability to record audio. Recording is an essential aspect of music making, and with the Yamaha, you can effortlessly capture high-quality audio and even transfer recordings directly to a computer. No more tedious editing or converting. With this keyboard, music production has become exponentially simpler and more enjoyable. Last, we have the incredibly convenient onboard storage for styles and voices. In the era of data-driven music production, there's no denying the convenience of being able to instantly access a wide library of preloaded styles and voices without breaking a sweat. Now, let's talk real-world testing. I decided to take our PSRSX 920 for a spin at a gig I had lined up. We're talking hours of intense practice, countless performances, and the unforgiving rigors of stage life. A perfect crucible to put our arranger keyboard through its paces. As expected, the PSRSX920 delivered flawless, consistent performance, with nary a complaint from my bandmates or the audience. What truly sets this instrument apart, however, is its robust build quality, built to withstand even the most physically demanding performances. It passed the endurance tests with flying colors, boasting a commendable battery life of over 10 hours of nonstop use. Time to talk the good stuff, the pros. Firstly, this keyboard offers unmatched versatility in its accompaniment styles feature, effectively turning any singer-songwriter into a bona fide rock star or concert performer. Secondly, it offers a rich, authentic sound experience due to its high-quality voice presets, from electro pianos to orchestral samples. The PSRSX 920 also boasts an impressive 960 built-in voices to create and control the precise atmosphere you desire. These three benefits will set any aspiring musicians back on track in their pursuit of musical excellence. However, no review is complete without mentioning at least one drawback. A minor concern is the size of the display screen. Although not a problem for me, I've encountered several users expressing their preference for a slightly larger screen for clearer visibility. Let's quickly address the elephant in the room, comparison to its competitors. Yamaha's innovative PSRSX 920 undoubtedly takes pole position among the competition. Key rivals struggle with offering comparable backing tracks and styles, and when they do, the results fall short of the PSRSX 920's level of control and depth. The touch control feature, alone, gives Yamaha the edge to produce authentic sounds and unparalleled expressiveness. In conclusion, what we've seen in this review is a truly revolutionary device that brings studio-caliber sound, incredible control over arrangements, and a staggering array of voices together for the benefit of even the most seasoned musicians. It's clear that Yamaha's